Welcome to our video on installing Python modules. If you're new to programming or just starting out with Python, this topic might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's an essential skill to master. In today's world of software development, being able to install and manage libraries is crucial for any project. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to install Python modules using MWAA, and be confident in your ability to get started with your next project. So, let's dive right in. Installing Python modules can seem intimidating, but it's actually quite straightforward once you understand the process. To start, we need to talk about what a Python module is. Simply put, a module is a file that contains a collection of related functions and variables that can be used in your code. Now, when it comes to installing these modules, there are several ways to do it. But today we're going to focus on using MWAA, which stands for Make Workflow as Awesome. It's a package manager specifically designed for Python, making it incredibly easy to install and manage libraries. The first step in installing a module is to identify what you need. Let's say, for example, you want to work with data visualization, ups and downs. You might want to install the popular library, matplotlib. To do this, you would simply open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install matplotlib. That's it. The module will be downloaded and installed on your machine. But what if you're working on a project that requires multiple modules? This is where requirements, txt, comes in handy. You can create a file with all the dependencies listed, one per line, and then use pip to install them all at once. It's a huge time saver. Another important aspect of module installation is dependency management. What happens when two or more libraries require different versions of the same module? This is where virtual environments come into play. By creating an isolated environment for your project, you can ensure that each library gets the version it needs without conflicts. So, to recap, here are the essential points we covered: what Python modules are, and why they're important; how to install modules using pip; the benefits of using a requirements txt file for multiple dependencies; the importance of dependency management and virtual environment. That's it for today's video on installing Python modules. I hope you found this explanation helpful in getting started with your next project. Niche or not, if you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on programming and software development. We'd love to hear from you, so let us know what topics you're interested in learning about next.